Hi everybody, this is Kofi here, and today I'm going to show you how to move an object inside Unity using player key inputs. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'm going to create a cube, and this will be the floor for the player to run on. So I'm going to expand this out first, create that floor, Ooh. Okay, move that, and there we go. I'm going to rename this to floor. Alright, so after having this floor, then we'll create our player. We'll create another cube. I'll call this player. Then, well, as you can see, I can't see my player since they're both white. Actually, he's below here. There we go. Now we can see him. But let's just make it easier so that we can see him. I'm gonna change his color, so I'm gonna create something called material. I'm gonna call this red. I'm gonna go here and change the color to, well, I think that looks good. We'll drag this color, drop it on him, make him red. All right, so now we have our player. So here we have a simple script called players. So let's go to that. And there's nothing in here. So, all right, let's drag this script, drop it on the player. All right, now we're the script here. All right, let's get started. All right, what are we going to do first? First, we're going to need to create a couple functions here. We'll call one of them handle movement right there. Oops. Okay. Then we need a couple variables. We'll need one for speed. So let's go up here. We'll call this public float speed so that we can use the speed. So in order to move this object, we're gonna have to control its transform. So we're gonna go this, which is saying this object right here, or this script, trans.transform, that translate. Then we're going to go new vector3, and as you can see, there's 3 inputs. All right, there's going to be x, y, and a z coordinate. So we're not going to be moving the y coordinate, so that's going to be 0 because let's go back here. So if we go back here, if we move the y, then it's going to go up and up like this. We only want to move left and right and back and forth. So this is going to be z and x. So the y will be 0. So let's go back. Let's go here. So in order to kind of for the script to read inputs, we're going to use input dot get accessed, which is the access that comes built in Unity. So let's go here. I think it was I can't remember where it was. I think it was in physics. Okay, I kind of forgot where it was, but you'll get the point when you see what's going to happen. Okay, so for the x-axis, we're going to type horizontal, and then we're going to have comma 0 because the y for 0. Then for the z, we're going to do input dot get axis vertical. Okay, so we're going to multiply both of these by our speed. And we also gotta, use this function. So we're gonna have to put right here, handle movement. Oops, nope, not like that. There we go. All right, so let's see what we got here. So first, this horizontal, corresponds with the key with your keyboard. So if you press A or D, which is kind of like built-in Unity, and this is for W and S. So let's go back in Unity, and then we're gonna click here, let load, compile, no errors, no errors. Yep, we're good. Okay, let's play. All right, so let's see what happens. Oh, I forgot to add a speed, so let's go here. Let's say 20. All right, so let's try pressing A. Whoa, ooh, this thing just zipped out. WASD, and there you go. We can move objects, but as you can see, it's kind of moving really fast, and you don't want your character like Flash teleporting all over the place. So we're gonna have to do something about that. So let's end this. So we're gonna use something called time.delta time to kind of like give it a more smooth transaction. So let's go in here. We're gonna create a float. We'll call it slow down, since we got slow down anyway. And we'll have it equal to our speed that we have times time.delta time. Okay. Now, instead of having this, we'll switch that to slow down. So this time.delta time kind of makes it so that it goes smoothly frame by frame, and then multiply our speed, and that should make it not like initiate. So imagine if it was 20 before, right? So if this was 20 and I press A, it'll literally just zip through the screen at 20 speed. But if we do this, we multiply by this, it'll slowly pick it up to the speed 20, and same thing for this. So save my script. Let's go back here. Let's try this one more time. Oh, let's don't forget we gotta add the speed. So let's call it 10. It was kind of fast last time. So let's play. Here we go. All right, so click on the game, and I'm gonna move around. There we go. As you can see, it moves just fine now. Like if you have your player, you can just keep moving like this. Depends on what you like. You can make it faster, and we can zip through here all we want. There you go. In fact, we didn't really need this floor right here because I don't have a rigid body, so it's not going to make him fall on this platform and run anyway. So if you want him to fall on the floor, let's click on him, add component, cancel that. We're going to go to physics, rigid body, and click play, and boom, there you go. Now he's just running all along this floor. All right. That's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, you comment, subscribe, post me questions, and I'll be happy to answer any of them. And if you want to see more tutorials on how to do stuff on Unity, just just put any ideas, and yeah.